Welcome students. As you can see here, I have written chapter 9 some applications of trigonometry, and students, you have written you have written some answers from these chapters, which I gave you day before yesterday. And to understand those questions, you will have to have proper clarity about this concept. Okay. As you can see, the name of the chapter is some implications of trigonometry, and that simply means you will still have to use the concept from chapter 8. Chapter 8 we have done about trigonometry. Okay, there you have used lots of formulas, lots of values like tan 30, sin 30, sin 45, cos 45, everything. Okay, so those values you still have to use here. And in this video, this concept that I am going to give you, if you combine this concept and those formulas, no one can stop you from getting full marks. Okay, so as you can see diagram here, this okay, imagine this is some person, imagine this is Raj Tamang, here you are, and next suppose this is coconut tree. No, okay, I can say this betel nut tree also, betel nut tree or coconut tree. Then look, we all know this betel nut tree or coconut tree, they are very tall, they are taller than us. So if we want to look at the coconut or betel nut in that tree, do you think we have to sit down or up? Definitely we have to see upwards. That means we have to tilt our eyes upward. Okay, if we don't tilt our eyes upward or downward, if we don't suppose if we just keep our eyes as normal, that means straight, then we will see only lower part of betel nut tree, isn't it? We'll just see lower part. We'll not even see middle part also if we just go near and see this straight. So if we want to see the top of the betel nut betel nut tree, we'll have to tilt our eyes upward. Okay, so do pay attention here. If you see at the top, then what will happen? You can see here, these eyes, from here I have drawn that line, that means you're looking at the up. Alright, and normally suppose you're not looking down and you're not looking up also, then what will happen? If you look straight, see eyes, if you look straight, then you see some part of this coconut tree or betel nut tree, isn't it? So that simply means when you're looking straight, you can imagine one line, and when you are looking up, you can imagine one line. Okay, and this line going up and this line is straight. Now if we join that line, actually that is already coconut tree and they are already straight, so we'll get right angle. Okay, and we know trigonometry means trigonometry is applicable only in right triangle. Recall what you did in chapter 8. Whatever questions you did, every single question was about right triangle. Okay, so here still we are doing trigonometry, so that coconut tree is straight or betel nut tree is straight, so definitely they are at right angle. Then this Raj is close to this coconut tree. Not he have not reached the coconut tree, I'm just saying close. Okay, so he is close to coconut tree, so he to look at the up, he definitely to look at the betel nut, he definitely have to tilt his eyes upward. And if he looks straight, then that will be normal. So this line is normal. Okay, normal, it means straight line is normal, and when tilting upwards, that's angle of elevation. Okay, so whenever you are looking upwards, anything up. It doesn't mean only looking upwards, anything up. So you can say that it's an elevated position. Okay, so here we're talking about angle, so angle of elevation. All right, so since Raj was looking up, so angle of elevation. Okay, and this one is nothing actually, this is not important, this is the same level because coconut tree and our legs are both on the ground. Okay, so this is not important. Then next, as you can see here, this is another person, and this is suppose aeroplane, and we know aeroplane flies on the land, isn't it? Now they flies in the air. Okay, so if this aeroplane keeps going normally, keeps looking straight, then what will happen? This aeroplane will look that side. Okay, that means that line is normal now. See upwards. In this eyes was looking straight here, that means it was normal. So here this aeroplane, if it was supposed to go straight without looking, then it will go like that, isn't it? So this is normal. And suppose again on the ground there is some small boy, that's Raj. So to look at Raj, do you think aeroplane need to look up or down? No, pilot or anyone sitting over there, they will have to look down simply. So that means what? That simply means with this normal, from that, the part through which that person sees this side, if you connect this line, we are getting one angle in between. Okay, so that angle is known as angle of depression. And you see here also this line coming here up to the level of the person, then we'll bring down, then what will happen? We know trigonometry deals with right triangle, so here we have given right angle, and here also we can give right angle. That's very easy. Okay, so angle of depression means when someone is looking down, at that time angle of depression is created, and when someone is looking up, angle of elevation is created. Okay, well, elevation and depression, simple word, you may know the meaning of that word, these words. Elevation means anything that's in a higher position, and depression means anything that's towards down. Like say, suppose when you are not feeling good, when your mood is low, then we can say like your mood is down. Okay, when you are feeling depressed, when you are feeling sad, you can say your mood is down. It means similarly, by similar logic, when you are looking downwards, so in particular place, then we can say angle of depression is created. Look, for angle of depression and elevation, I can give you a common example, a simple example. Look, you know that nearby our home we have this flyover. Okay, suppose you are there, you students are there, and I am here on the ground level. Okay, so to look, when for you to look from there, I am just below, suppose flyover, and you are on the top of flyover. To look at me, definitely you will have to look down, isn't it? That means for you angle of depression is created because you are looking down. And when I am looking, when I want to look, when I need to look to you, definitely I need to look up. Okay, and like I said, whenever we are looking up, then angle of elevation is created. So something you have to remember from this topic is that whenever you are dealing with this elevation, depression, you will definitely get right triangle. Right triangle is must, since we're doing about trigonometry. No right triangle, not trigonometry. Okay, students, so hopefully you have understood this, and remaining questions, for that you have to see another video. Thank you.